How to recover deleted photos or videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can recover deleted photos or videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically recover our deleted photos or videos, all you have to do is, let's say you have a certain photo or video that you deleted from your gallery application. Most of the gallery apps, whether it is from Redmi phone, Xiaomi, Poco or Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, all of those gallery applications have the trash option or the recycle bin option. So as long as the video is stored there within 30 days, you can actually still restore it. So from your gallery, you just have to look for it. Now in the case of my Samsung device, if I tap here, I can go to recycle bin and then I can just choose to restore those photos or videos that I might have went ahead and then basically deleted previously, and I can just go ahead and restore those images. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically restore deleted photos or videos on your device, whether it's iOS or whatever device, doesn't really matter. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.